In this tutorial, we will be learning how to convert month of year extracted from Google Analytics into simple months and how to further analyze a bunch of keyword ranking data and reduce it to a simple table for creating graphs. When you extract data from Google Analytics along with month of year, the month of year column is not in date format at all. We will have to convert this month of year column into into date format and properly use that data for our further analysis. Let's dive into how to actually convert this and how this formula actually works. To break it down for all of you, when you extract data from Google Analytics, it comes in a year, and month format. However, our formula breaks it down into date, four characters from the left, that is 2020, that gives us our year, and then, okay, and from the right, it will count for two characters and convert them into dates as well. And then how it depends on how we are converting this formula or the data that you see in that table into further Excel formats as well, wherein you can have your custom formats like with the month and the year as it is represented on the uh, slide. With that being said, when you extract date from Google Analytics, it gives you a full-fledged date with year, day, and the month as well, wherein this formula will actually convert it into that particular day, like you see in the slide here as well. So this date formula gives us August 4, 2020, while our previous formula or the date format or the month of year that we extracted gives us proper month and the year. The next formula helps us understand how many keywords are ranking in which position in Google. Here, if you see, we have a bunch of keywords with their rankings over a period of few months, about 9 months, and we have to convert this into a more readable format like you see here. We use a simple Excel counter formula to understand how many keywords are ranking in which position on Google. Google ranking seemingly has 1 to 100 rankings, and we need to divide this into different positions as you wish. Maybe top 10, 20, 30, maybe top 50 if you mind. And we can use the counter formula to understand how many keywords are ranking in which range of Google ranking. We use a simple counters formula to count how many keywords are ranking on Google. The first formula gives us how many keywords are ranking in top 5, that is less than or equal to 5, fifth position on Google. The next is an example wherein there is a different range, 41 to 50, ranking between the 41st position and the 50th position. And next one is between 91 to 100. Once you have the formulas written for respective months and different ranking ranges, you will get such a table wherein it will give you how many keywords are ranking in top 5 positions on Google in April and June or for respective months. Then afterwards you can go and do some simple Excel wherein you can select a column and color scale them for apply a color gradient to the range to the wherein the highest number is given a red color and the lowest number is given a green color, and you can start to observe that by the month of August the amount of red colored cells have seemingly reduced consistently uh, till December as well. This way, it gives you a much better understanding of how many keywords are ranking where, and maybe the keywords where you would want to improve upon as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.